Hi, I'm back with another video. So, my day when I'm done with part 2, I'm gonna ask my dad can let me make a Fortnite video, like my slave video. So this is gonna be the last part. So, yeah. Go watch my program. I didn't like watch full of it, but I was just trying to get it over with. We had some typical difficulties with the camera. Oh, my daddy fixed it. So now we're just gonna do something way different. And yeah, let's get started. So first, if you got this kind of slime, you just want to stretch it out and then just like put it in the corners. It could be like a big square. That's what I'm trying to do. We're trying to make a square bubble. So part 2 name is going to be square bubble, because we're going to be making a square bubble. So you just put all your pieces on here. And then you want to go to the side and do like this and make it like a square. And then if it comes down like this, you just like come it up, like clean it up. Oh, some of my slime fell on the ground. Oh. Oh. Ow. Guys, don't try this at home. Or very well with your slime. Cause look, y'all, my goodness. And we already had to start this part 2 video. So, first up, you're gonna need this much slime. I know it's a little slime, but this is how much slime you need. If y'all can see that, you need that much slime. And guys, the confetti, if y'all get the one that I got with the confetti, it will get on your table. Probably one day when I play with my slime on the table, it's going to, y'all gonna see how much confetti was on there. Cause I always play my slime at the table in the dining room. So guys, we're gonna make a circle bubble. I know it's very, very easy. You just do like the real steps, but do it my way. You take it back. Yeah, boom. That's how you do it my way. That's how you do it to Chambers family. The Fortnite crew. Bam! That's how you do it. And that's the end of my part 2 video. See y'all for the Fortnite video.